twilight sky where the shadows play. There's a bridge of dreams where I long to stay. The gentle waters sing with a melody so clear as the whispers of the evening softly draw me near. Oh, the camp bridge over running water at Camp Parsnip, where there's peace and laughter. With every step I take, there's joy to unfold in the beauty of the night, under starlights bright and bold. The fireflies dance like jewels in the air, and the cool breeze carries stories that we share. With family beside, joyful laughter fills the night as we enjoy the fellowship of this pure delight. Oh, the camp bridge over running water, a very special moment in time. With every step on its planks, every dream we unfold, in the heart filled with love, with memories we will hold. Close your eyes, feel the peace all around. With every heartbeat, love and joy abound. Crossing that bridge, our dreams take flight in the soft embrace of this beautiful night. So let's linger here a little while longer, with the river's lullaby our hearts grow fonder. Underneath the stars, let our dreams softly flow. On the camp bridge over running water, let love grow.
I think this thing will sit up again.
Did it?
Just a little more, maybe.
Welcome to my journey, to a place my dreams unfold, a place my heart is refreshed and let life just fade away. Welcome to Camp Parsnip on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold and joy seems to overflow. Welcome to Camp Parsnip on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold and joy seems to overflow. Welcome to my journey, to a place my dreams unfold, a place my heart is refreshed and let life just fade away. Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold, and joy seems to overflow. And joy seems to overflow. Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold, and joy seems to overflow.
Right there, man, is it's great. We're gonna stand by.
Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road.
Okay.
Watch as my
Stand in the middle.
dreams
I'll
unfold.
take a still shot off of it. I'm gonna talk about
Joy
top here.
seems to.
So here we are, Camp Parsnip. We've been, well, they've been working all day. I've been watching them work all day. But I told you we were going to try and get in the deck. It's in. We're going to try and get the bridge in. It's going in right now. AJ, Luke, my sons have worked extremely hard today to make all of this happen. We got the, Luke and I got the camper in, got it leveled, got the shed leveled. For all of you that made comments about the leveling of the shed, that is all done. And so I'm super excited. Camp Parsnip, it's on its way. So stay tuned to the channel and find out all of the things that are going on. And sure do love these guys. I got to stand up on top of something to get as tall as them now. There we go. Thanks, Sage. But anyhow, I love them a lot. Appreciate all their work today. And so like, subscribe, share, and visit us on our next video. Right?
Yep.
And as for Victoria,
All right.
and let life just fade away. Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold, and joy seems to overflow. And joy seems to overflow. Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold, and joy seems to overflow. Welcome to Camp Parsnip, on a winding country road. Watch as my dreams unfold. to the sound of the birds in the dell. Sunshine creeping in after the darkness fell. Grab my gear, it's time to roam. Camp Parsnip, you feel like home. Camp Parsnip, where my wild heart plays, relaxing by the stream, feeling the warmth of the day, when the warmth of the day. When darkness falls by the fire, I'll sit, joy in my heart, I have no regrets. Camp Parsnip, Camp Parsnip. Camp Parsnip, Camp Parsnip, Camp Parsnip. Ha ha ha.